going through the ingredients. My vanilla. Now, customary when you're buying custard in the grocery, you know you wouldn't get it sweet. So you can omit the sugar and just boil it without the sugar, and you would use just your condensed milk as the sweetener. To my preheating pan, I have my milk and my sugar. So I'm gonna see about the egg yolk now. 1, 2, 3 eggs. I'm going to add some vanilla essence and a tablespoon of cornstarch. This is just to thicken it up, and if you want more, you can add more. Now I'm going to just mix this together and add it to the warm milk and sugar. So now I'm just going to add the egg yolk that we added, the vanilla essence and the cornstarch too. And we're going to let that on a low fire thicken up. And we're going to start another process of peeling our fruits. So this is how thick it is. So it's good for me. Sugar has dissolved, so we're ready to go. Let's see about our fruits. So you just saw I made a custard. So why I made a custard is because I want to make some ice cream for my grandson. So I have some homegrown bananas. We bought the pineapple and some mangoes. So I'm going to make all in one. Each one of this I'm going to put some in some of the ice cream. Then I'm going to make a banana ice cream, a mango ice cream, a pineapple ice cream. So all together we're going to make 4 ice cream. Alright, so I'm going to peel up and freeze some because the bananas start to overripe, so I'm going to freeze them. So when I want to make a smoothie or something for him, just take them out and throw them in a blender and blend it up. But some for today, let's get started. We're going to use a ripe mango for this. So I'm going to peel and I am going to blend the mango with some of the custard. And then we're going to start the ice cream. So that's how I'm going to do it. Blend some of the fruit with the custard and then mix them in and start to make our ice cream. In my childhood days, this was one of the most fondest memories that I have with my aunties and everybody. For Thanksgiving or just for the August holiday, my aunt would just make a whole pail of ice cream and everybody would get a chance to turn the ice cream. It was just fun. So I have all those memories and I do enjoy them. So now I'm doing it for my grandson. You know, old school, it's the best. So now I'm adding condensed milk. As I mentioned earlier, I'm giving it a good mixy and I'm going to place this after I'm done in the refrigerator. Right, so now I'm adding the fruits and I'm going to blend till smooth. Alright, so now we're going to just blend it till it's smooth. This blender I won in a giveaway and all about Amanda YouTube channel. Her channel would be in the end screen. So she and now we're just going to place this in the fridge to set. Or at this point is where you'll put it in your ice cream pail and turn it until it's nice and creamy. And now we're at the end. And I turn this ice cream every 3 hours, alright? I would suggest you do it in a pail, but this, I don't have a pail, right? I need to purchase one. I don't have one. So I turn this for every 3 hours, and at 8 o'clock in the night, this is what it looked like. I started this ice cream after 11 in the morning. Guys, it was perfection. Thanks for watching. And while you're here, don't forget to check out these other recipes and all about Amanda YouTube channel. That's the channel where I won my blender that I used to make this ice cream.